Welcome back. In this lecture I am going to install VestaCP on server. So let's open VestaCP and then go to install. If you look at the installation instruction, the first instruction says connect to your server, which we already have done. It says via SSL and we already have connected via SSL, but the command which it shows is relevant for Mac OS and Linux machine. We have already SSH client putty through which we are connected to server. So the next is to copy this installation script. Now I have been disconnected from server. I have to open putty once again. This disconnection usually happens when there is no activity for a long time. So now I am connected to server and let me just adjust the settings. Alright, so I am going to install VestaCP now. Installation of VestaCP takes quite some time. You have to continue yes, and then you have to enter your email ID. And then fully qualified host name. You could see that I already have this host name listed here, so I am just going to press enter. However, if this has not been listed here, then you need to type your host name like this, and then after that you have to press enter. Now installation will going to take some time. I am going to fast forward this video and I'll see you when this installation is about to finish. So now installation has finished. I am going to copy this information. Alright, so let's open the admin dashboard. Copy this URL. You'll get this warning, your connection is not private because we are not using any SSL at present. However, we are connecting over SSL. All you need to do is to go to advanced setting and then proceed to this URL. After that, you need to copy the password. So this is how you install VestaCP on your cloud server. In next lecture, you will learn to configure VestaCP.